everyone, welcome to my kitchen. If you have swelling in your legs due to water retention or edema, a traditional remedy that is advised is to eat bottlegourd soup. Bottlegourd is also known as Sorakkai, Lauki and Labu. It is considered a very healthy vegetable. Today we shall learn a very simple recipe for a delicious bottlegourd soup. Get a fresh bottle gourd like this. Cut off the ends. Then cut into two lengthwise. We will use only about 500 grams for this recipe. Peel off the skin. Then cut into small pieces. Now wash the bottlegourd pieces and drain the water. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add some chopped garlic and ginger. Stir fry until light brown in color. Now add bottlegourd pieces and stir fry on medium heat for 2 minutes. Then add 2 to 3 cups of water. Also add some vegetable seasoning to enhance the taste. Cover the pan and bring to a boil. Simmer on low-medium heat for 10 minutes or until the bottlegourd pieces turn translucent. Switch off the stove. Add salt as needed. Add chopped green onion as garnishing. Serve bottlegourd soup while warm, either by itself or with some steamed rice. Do try this recipe and let me know if it works for you. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Happy cooking!